We work so hard to build some level of security in our lives, so why does it feel like we're always one errant click, one major data breach, one devious scam away from just losing it all? And to make matters worse, everywhere we go, we're being told that we need to buy some new piece of software, some new kind of insurance coverage, or that we need to completely delete Facebook, use a dumb phone, and basically live off the grid. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a way to be confident about your online security, to overcome this overwhelming confusion without spending months reading up on all the latest scams and encryption protocols? Well, this month, you have an opportunity to join me on a 2-part live workshop, a new project here on All Things Secured, designed to eliminate confusion by helping you build a custom security game plan that fits your individual situation. Whether you're a retiree trying to make sure you don't get scammed out of all your retirement savings, a Gen Xer worried about securing your investments, or even someone who has already been hacked or scammed, this workshop is for you. Learn how to prioritize the real risks you face and protect yourself and your family without spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on pointless software. Listen, you can keep doing what you're doing, blindly hoping and praying that you don't someday find yourself on the news as one of those unfortunate victims. Or you can turn the odds in your favor and gain a confidence in your online security that you've never had before. In part 1 of this live workshop, you'll be guided through the process of identifying the assets and data you actually need to protect, understanding where the greatest threats even come from, and then learning how to build an online security system that actually works for you. In part 2, which is a live Q&A, you'll have a chance to ask your own questions, to clarify areas where you still have concerns, and to learn from what other people ask. In the end, you're not going to know every possible scam or fraud that could hurt you, but you will walk away with both clarity and confidence that you already have a system in place that will inform you how to act when those threats arise. You're going to have your own custom security game plan. If this sounds like something you or maybe even your parents would benefit from, visit allthingssecured.com/workshop to reserve your spot. There are only 2 sets of dates with only 50 spots each right now. I've tried to schedule it to fit most time zones around the world. And since I'm offering a 50% discount for this first group, you need to reserve your spot as soon as you can. Over the years, All Things Secured has helped millions and millions of people understand how to create better security and privacy online. And I'm taking it just a step further with this live workshop, and I hope to see you there. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them as a comment below on this video. There's also more that you can learn on the website, so go check it out or share it with someone who you know would benefit from this. I'll see you later this month.